Hello everyone, it's Gabriel and Yulia, and we're here today to be able to tell you about an amazing retreat that we're hosting at the end of the month called Restore Your Balance on February 24th. And we wanted to tell you 3 reasons why we think you should come.
The first reason is we really believe that taking time away from your very busy life is very important for restoring your balance, recentering, and really coming into alignment, deeper alignment within yourself.
The second reason is we feel like by doing a day-long retreat, you'll really be able to do a deep dive and really nourish yourself.
And the third reason, by nourishing yourself and giving yourself that entire day, we truly believe that you will come out of this whole day experience completely restored and rejuvenated, so you can be the best version of yourself to serve your families, to serve the community and the world.
So we'll be doing various yoga and relaxation. We'll have a tea ceremony. There's going to be lots of fun things. So we're super excited to be able to do this. And just click the link below and go ahead and reserve your space today. Namaste.
Namaste. We hope to see you there.